Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. In this video, we're going to talk about RedBubble sales in August. Let's go! Hey everyone, so today we're going to look at my RedBubble August 2020 sales. I did a video before about my July 2020 sales. I'll put a link up to it there. But before we start, my name is Juno. I'm a graphic designer, t-shirt designer. I sell t-shirts online, and my channel is all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. So if that's something you like, please like and subscribe this video, as well as follow me on my channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you know when my next videos are coming. So here we are. I did this little presentation for you. Last month I did July 2020, so I thought I'd keep it up. I wanted to let you know why RedBubble? Why am I doing RedBubble sales and not Merch by Amazon sales? I sell on both. The reason why I'm doing RedBubble sales, at least for right now, is because RedBubble, everyone has access to RedBubble, so all of you could try this. Not everyone has access to Merch by Amazon, and I have a lot less sales on RedBubble, so I think it's probably something more achievable for everyone. I'm kind of lower on that. Sometimes when you see the bigger numbers like I have on Merch by Amazon, you might think, oh, I can never get those numbers. But these are kind of, beginner level RedBubble sales. So these are things that are actually achievable that you guys can get, and you can just see my journey along the way. So here I am on RedBubble. This is how you get to your sales when you want to go look at your numbers. So you just go here, click on, you can see I'm logged in as Detour Shirts. You just click on the dashboard here when you click on your icon. So when you click on the dashboard, you'll get to a spot like this, and go here on the left side and it'll say sales history. So when you click on that, it'll give you a list. It'll look kind of like this. I blocked mine out here just so you can't see my designs, but this is from recently. You can see August here, and you'll just download, if you want to download the CSV file, your own CSV file, that's when you can see your sales and look at what you're selling and how much, and kind of do this kind of thing for yourself and see what kind of numbers you have and kind of learn from it. So that's what I want to do today, is look at the numbers that I have excuse me, the numbers that I have on the CSV file, and just kind of break it down so you can see how to learn from it. So last month, like I said, I did a video, July 2020. Here are the designs I had in July, 602. And you can see I've added over the month 85 designs added. So for a total of 687. I'm going to continue to add more and more designs, as you should. Add more and more designs so that you can get more sales. So here's the breakdown. July 2020 sales, I had 78 sales that month if you look back in my video, and this is kind of the breakdown of it. 55 were stickers, 18 shirts, 2 kids clothes, 3 masks. In August 2020, I actually went up in sales, so you can see how that changed. Instead of 55 stickers, I sold 86 stickers. I kind of went down on shirts, 15 shirts instead of 18, so you'll see how that affects my total. Kids clothes as well, I only did 1, and masks I also went down. I only did 1 in August. So I did add a new product. I sold 2 mugs, which I usually don't sell, so that was a surprise that I sold 2 of those mugs. So that's kind of how the breakdown was in August. Yours may be different, of course. And so I also showed, which I didn't show there, some of the new products that I sold in August. You've seen the mug here, but I also sold different types of shirts. So even though I sold less shirts, I sold different types of shirts. So the fitted scoop t-shirt, I sold one of those, which I didn't sell in July. I sold a fitted v-neck shirt in August, which I didn't sell in July. And I also sold a premium scoop t-shirt. So there's so many different kinds. I would suggest to put your designs on all the different types of t-shirts, just because you never know when one is going to sell. Like here, I didn't think I sold a v-neck shirt, and if I didn't put it on that shirt, I probably wouldn't have got that sale. So make sure to put it on all those. I think it's kind of automatic, but you got a couple of different choices there to sell. So here's the breakdown of my sales. I got this pie chart that I used last time, July 2020. You can see 78 sales. of those sales, 71% of my sales were stickers in July. But you can see here in this month, in August, for some reason, I'm getting a lot of sticker sales, as you might have. 83 of my sales in August were actually sticker sales, and t-shirt sales a lot less of the pie, right? And then mask, of course, went down in kids' clothes. So I sold a lot more of these 105 shirts, 105 sales. A lot of them were stickers. So you'll see how that plays out. In fact, in the next slide here, my profit actually went down in August, which could happen to you. It doesn't always go up month after month after month. So just be aware of that. In July, I made 136, 34. I mean, not huge numbers here, so very attainable for everyone. And here in August, 125. And you can see the reason for that, because I had so many more sticker sales, you don't get as much profit for stickers as you do t-shirts. So if I sold more t-shirts, my profit probably would have went up instead of down. So that's what kind of happened here. You can see the breakdown. Stickers, 44% of my profit instead of t-shirts, where if t-shirts were more percentage of my profit, I would get more. So take a look for that. I mean, it's still good to put your designs on everything, t-shirts, stickers. You want to put it as on many things as you did, because if I didn't put it on stickers, my profits would have been even lower. So it's not bad to put it on stickers. Just be aware that stickers will give you less profit, and unless you mark it up a lot higher. I only did my markup as a dollar, maybe a little bit more than that. So some people up their price on the sticker so that they get a $2-3 profit. So you might be want to do that, but I did not. So here kind of is the breakdown of what kind of sales by design. So you can do this as well in the CSV file. When you break it down, you can look and show which designs by title of designs sold. And you can see here in July, when I had 78 sales, I had a lot less designs that sold. You can see here, just adding this up. But in August, of the 105, I had a lot more designs, and I had designs that sold a lot more. So my top design sold 18 times, where last month it only sold 9 times. And I believe that's, I think one of the top 3 or 4 are probably the same designs that I had here. Just, I didn't write down which is which, but my top design in August sold 18 times. You can see another one sold 9, 7, 6, and here's the breakdown. I sold, when it comes down to just onesie twosies, you can see that a lot of them sell like that too. So you'll get, this will typically happen to you if you're selling on any POD site, or any site actually. You'll get some designs that are really hot that sell a lot during the month, and then you'll get some of their designs that only sell 1 or 2 times that month. So that's typical. Just look for that. And what you want to do is when you see these top sellers, you want to duplicate it, or try and do something similar, because if they sold really well for you, they might, a similar product or similar design might sell well for you the next month. So try and do that. So the next thing I have here, kind of the breakdown. So what's interesting is you would think that the same designs from July would also sell in August, but that's not actually true. So you can see here, I wrote this, different designs sell month to month. So 41 different designs sold in August. That means only 14 were designs that sold in July. So of those 41 designs in August, only 14 of them actually sold in July. 27 of them were new designs that didn't sell in July. They're not actually new designs to me. They're designs I had before, but they're new designs in August that didn't sell in July, if that makes sense. So just be aware of that as well. So even though you have designs that sell last month, they may not sell next month, but you may get sales from other designs, even designs that are old, that are a year old, 2 years old. You may sell those in the next month that you didn't in the month before. So there's just an ebb and flow in designs in RedBubble. So here is kind of my breakdown of what kinds of designs that sell well for me. They may not sell well for you, but you can also do this with the CSV file, not as easily. You can just kind of track it manually. So that's kind of what I did. I looked, like I knew the name of my design, and I kind of broke it down by theme. So you can see I'm still selling the same kinds of themes that are, funny food is doing really well for me. Pop culture is doing really well. I did sell some new things. So I sold a pattern. I'm actually doing more pattern designs lately, just trying to break into that market. And I did sell one pattern design in August that I didn't sell in July. So this is kind of interesting. I'm going to try and do more pattern designs because you can put that on other things like duvet covers and bags, and some of the new things like masks and duffel bags, I believe, is a new one as well. So just be aware that pattern designs can do well for you. You probably want to do a pattern design that nobody else has, so that's not a repeat. So it's really unique to your shop, and you can get more sales that way. But pattern designs may do really well. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I'm going to add that to my list of things I'm going to add for next month. So here's what I learned from my Redbubble from month to month, from July to August. So what we learned in August is that different products sold, right? So you saw that I had a mug that sold, the different types of t-shirts. So different products sold. Make sure to put your things, your designs on different products so that you can get that extra sale that you might not have got by not putting it on there. And different designs sold as well. So be aware that just putting lots and lots of designs on your profile can help in the long run, because you don't know what's going to sell from month to month. It may be a design, like I sold a design in July that didn't sell in August, but I got a design in August that sold that didn't sell in July. So just make sure to constantly upload different designs so that you can get more and more sales. And then it takes a while for designs to sell. A lot of my designs that I put, those 85 extra designs that I put in August, I don't think any of them sold yet. So we're going to see in the next couple of months to see if some of those designs are going to pick up and actually sell and make some money for us. Yeah, sometimes it takes a while. Sometimes it takes more than a month or 2 months. So just be aware of that. It takes a little while for your designs to sell. You may have put 100 designs up on Redbubble and then like wonder, why is it not selling yet? Well, sometimes it takes a while for it to pick up and for people to see it and find it. And so that's normal. So my goals for September, learning from August. So you always want to do this when you look at your sales from a previous month. What can I learn from this? What can I do better? So here's what I'm going to do. This may not be what you're going to do, but we'll see when I do this video next month if this helps. I'm going to add more funny food shirts because we know that shirts actually make more profit, and my funny food designs, that theme for me is actually working for me, so that's what I'm going to add more. I'm going to try and add more big ticket items, duvet covers, bags, some prints. They do really well. I'll probably do a video on what some of those big ticket items are. Look for that video in the future. I'm going to add more patterns because patterns add, those are the ones that you can add to big ticket items. So for example, duvet covers, you probably don't want to put the same shirt design on a duvet cover, but pattern designs will work well on duvet covers and things like that. And then because October's coming up, we're going into September, a month before Halloween, I'm going to try and add more Halloween designs to see if that actually gets me more sales in September. And I'm going to actually make a goal to get up to 800 designs. You saw I was at somewhere under 700, so I'm going to need to add about 100 plus designs in the next month to get up to that. It's nice to give yourself an actual number goal to get to, so that you can reach that instead of just saying, I'm going to add more designs. What does more mean, right? So add a specific number of designs. So I'm going to try and do that. You're going to hold me accountable for next month when I post this to see if I got to that 800 designs. So that is it for this video. Hope this was helpful for you. This Redbubble video was really helpful, that you can use some of the things that I learned here in August to help you with your Redbubble sales. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you want to know. If you're selling on Redbubble and you want to know some answers or have some questions, maybe I can do some videos for it. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe this video if it was really helpful for you, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be subscribed or to be notified when my next video is. And then until next time, guys, keep creating and keep learning. Bye.